Hello and welcome to English Odyssey, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. This is a special place where we learn English through inspiring stories, and today we're going to talk about someone truly amazing, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Dwayne's story is one of hard work, determination, and never giving up. Whether you're a fan of his movies, his wrestling career, or just love a good success story, you're in the right place. This video is designed for English learners at Level 1. We'll use simple words and sentences so you can easily follow along. Plus, we'll practice listening, learn new vocabulary, and even work on pronunciation. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's begin this incredible journey together. Dwayne Douglas Johnson was born on May 2, 1972, in Hayward, California. His father, Rocky Johnson, was a famous professional wrestler, and his mother, Ada Mavia, came from a family of wrestlers. Wrestling was in his blood, but Dwayne's childhood was far from easy. The Johnson family didn't have much money, and they moved frequently. Dwayne spent his early years in different places, including New Zealand, where his mother's family lived. Despite the challenges, Dwayne was a happy and energetic child. He loved sports, especially football, and dreamed of becoming a professional athlete one day. When Dwayne was just 14 years old, his family faced a major crisis. They were evicted from their home because they couldn't pay the rent. This was a turning point in Dwayne's life. He realized that life could be tough, but he decided to work hard and never give up. In high school, Dwayne focused on football. He was a natural athlete and quickly became a star player. His talent on the field earned him a scholarship to the University of Miami, one of the best football schools in the United States. This was a huge achievement for Dwayne and his family. At the University of Miami, Dwayne played as a defensive tackle and helped his team win the national championship in 1991. He was proud of his accomplishments, but his dreams of playing in the NFL, National Football League, didn't come true. After college, he signed with the Calgary Stampeders, a Canadian football team, but was cut from the team after just 2 months. This was a devastating moment for Dwayne. He felt like he had failed, but he didn't let this setback define him. Instead, he decided to try something new: wrestling. Dwayne's father, Rocky Johnson, taught him the basics of wrestling. Dwayne trained hard and quickly became a popular wrestler. He joined the WWE, World Wrestling Entertainment, and adopted the name The Rock. The Rock was unlike any other wrestler. He had charisma, strength, and an entertaining personality. Fans loved his catchphrases like, "Can you smell what The Rock is cooking?" and his electrifying performances in the ring. Over time, The Rock became one of the most famous wrestlers in the world. He won multiple championships and earned millions of fans. His success in wrestling opened the door to new opportunities, including acting. After achieving great success in wrestling, Dwayne wanted to try something new. He set his sights on Hollywood. At first, it wasn't easy. Many people didn't take him seriously because he was a wrestler. But Dwayne worked hard and took small roles in movies and TV shows. His big break came in 2001 when he starred in The Mummy Returns. This movie was a huge success, and Dwayne's career took off. He quickly became one of the most sought-after actors in Hollywood. Over the years, Dwayne has starred in many blockbuster movies, including The Scorpion King, 2002, Fast Furious series, Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, 2017, Moana, 2016, where he voiced the character Maui. Dwayne is now one of the highest-paid actors in the world. But his success isn't just about money or fame. He is known for his hard work, positive attitude, and kindness. Despite his busy career, Dwayne always makes time for his family. He is a proud father of 3 daughters, Simone, Jasmine, and Tiana. He often shares pictures and stories about them on social media, showing how much he loves being a dad. Family is very important to Dwayne. He credits his parents for teaching him the value of hard work and perseverance. He often says that his family's support helped him overcome challenges and achieve his dreams. Dwayne is also known for his generosity. He supports many charities and often helps people in need. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, he donated millions of dollars to help struggling families. He also works with organizations that support children, veterans, and people with disabilities. Dwayne believes in giving back and making a positive impact on the world. He often shares motivational messages on social media, encouraging people to believe in themselves and never give up. Dwayne Johnson's story teaches us many important lessons. Never give up. No matter how hard life gets, keep pushing forward. Believe in yourself. Even when others doubt you, trust in your abilities. Work hard. Success doesn't come overnight. It takes dedication and effort. Be kind. Help others and make a positive impact on the world. Dwayne's journey from a struggling teenager to a global superstar is truly inspiring. He shows us that with hard work, determination, and a positive attitude, anything is possible. Dwayne is known for his incredible work ethic and discipline. He wakes up at 4 a.m. every day to work out, even when he's busy filming movies or traveling. He believes that staying physically and mentally strong is key to success. Dwayne also follows a strict diet to maintain his energy and health. He eats 6 meals a day, focusing on lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats. He often shares his workouts and meals on social media to inspire his fans. And that's the incredible story of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some new English words and phrases along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to English Odyssey for more inspiring stories and English lessons. Before you go, let me know in the comments. What did you find most inspiring about Dwayne's story? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and never give up on your dreams. Bye for now.